Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I am back with a little H&M haul, end of winter, early spring if you will. Okay, so I got some super cute stuff. They were doing like a 20% off sale. I have not shopped at H&M in a long time. I feel like it's been a minute since I've done like a full out haul, and I didn't get too many pieces, but I got some really good pieces. Some were flops and some were so cute. So let's first start with shoes, because I got 3 pairs of flats. I'm very into flats. I think that is something that my wardrobe is missing. I'm not a heels girl, so I wanted some fun flats to kind of spice up my outfit. And when I saw these, I loved them. Okay, I love this pointed toe patent leather. Like, it's almost like a purple over like maroon. It is so stunning. They're little slingbacks, flats, so cute. Love the toe shape. Like, you don't see any like toe cleavage, if you will. I don't know, obsessed. These are so cute. I love them. I did go up to a 7 in these just because I was nervous that the toe would be a little like smooshing. I could have done my normal size, but it's not like a deal breaker with these. Plus I have toe inserts, so I can make it work if they're driving me nuts. But obsessed. Okay, next flats I actually saw in store when I went to the Galleria, but I had already placed the order online. I saw them in black though, and not in this color, so I knew I was going to love these. These are a dark chocolate brown woven sort of squoval flat. Again, I love this sort of like elongated toe coverage with this, I don't know, it's kind of like a, almost like a triangle type of pointed look in the front. I'm obsessed with these. These are so cute. I knew I immediately was going to love these. And I went with my size down. They don't have half sizes in these, so I went with a 6 in these. So yeah, you can size down in these if you are between sizes, but these are nice. These feel really freaking good, and they're so cute, and I'm so excited to wear these with so many outfits. I think they're like a funky sort of flat. Okay, next flats though I got. These unfortunately were a flop. I thought they would be super cute. I'm like very into the little Mary Jane. It's not that they're a flop, it's just the color looks very strange on my like skin tone. I think because they're more of like an olive base tan, and then like on my skin it makes my skin look very red. I don't know if that makes sense, but I decided I'm not keeping these. They are really cute though, and if you're more of an olive base tone, or they have other colors as well, I'm just gonna pass on them. But I thought they would be cute because they're kind of like a nude flat, but they're not my nude, so they're a no. Also, I got the cutest little ruffly socks. Okay, I'm obsessed. So I grabbed what are these, a 5-pack? 5-pack of these little squiggly socks. I'm obsessed. So cute. Okay, now let's get into clothing. So this first denim shirt I just thought would be really cute for spring. I am somebody who loves ruffles for spring and denim, but this denim that's like this indigo rinse color is like coming back with full vengeance, and I am all for it. I'm obsessed with it. I got this in a size medium. I could have gone true to size, honestly. I really depend, or like go up in most of my sizes at H&M because I like more of an oversized fit in general. I do think this fits well. They do have this in like a normal medium color, but I definitely wanted the darker color. I thought this would look so cute with white denim, with dark denim, regular denim. I don't know, I'm a denim girl. It's full buttons. I do wish the buttons weren't stark white, but that is what it is. I love this sort of like riffled hem on here, and then like that high collar with no neckline. I think it's just so cute. I'm so into button-ups, so I feel like I should venture out and get some cooler button-ups to kind of like elevate my style, since I live in them all the time anyway. So this is a piece that I'm definitely keeping. This next piece, speaking of button-ups, I need to make sure that they have this in a size small, because I will say I think this is just too big. I felt like it kind of swallowed me. But are you kidding? Light blue. These silver little, these are like actually like punched into the fabric. I'm actually really surprised. Now, but this is not a cheap shirt, but so freaking cute. Again, with white denim, I thought for springtime would be adorable. These are like legit metal. So cute. It is quite a heavy shirt, but I just need this in a small. I felt like the medium kind of just swallowed me. It's more of a tunic top though. It's not a full button, which I wish it was full buttons, but not the end of the world. And it has two really cute big pockets right in the front. I love everything about this, except I think I just need to grab it in a small. So I'm going to order that in a small. Next up are some sweaters. I do not own very many cardigans, even though I really like cardigans. I recently got this one from Quince that I love, but I wanted a navy one. I do not own navy cardigans at all, and I wanted something insanely oversized that I could wear as it's a self layer by itself, but also just like really open with like a tank and some shorts as like those warmer months start to approach. Has anyone realized, just look outside tonight, that it's still bright outside at like 6 o'clock? And I'm like, when did that happen? I don't know, but I'm thrilled about it. So anyway, I say all that to say, I got this in a large and I love it. This is just, I mean, it's not like the nicest quality sweater, but sweaters like this where it's like not all up in my grill and I'm typically wearing shirts over the top of it, I don't wash them all the time. So just be mindful of this. It's definitely polyester. It's not like the nicest quality, but I really like it for the look, and I like the look that it achieves, and I also really like that it has brown buttons. So yes, totally keeping this just basic navy cardigan. I love navy, especially paired with white and gray, and just like a lighter denim. I just think it like pops and looks really cute. Okay, this next piece is horribly itchy, okay? It is the worst, itchiest sweater in the entire world, but I have like a hair on me. Ugh. It has led me to at least want to look and see if there's anything more, / almost want to keep it. Okay, this is a yellow mohair wool sweater. It's a blend. It's a blend. This is the itchiest thing in the entire world. It's so itchy. So I'm like, can I wear a long sleeve shirt? I have long sleeves. I could wear it. Love this yellow. Oh, it's like a buttermilk yellow. It's not like a super buttery yellow. It's like a light buttery yellow, like cheap butter. You know what I mean? Not Kerrygold. But this is so cute. I got this in a large. This is very like form-fitting. The large is like not super oversized. But I love this. It is so hairy, okay? So hairy, so itchy, but I really like it a lot. I know, I'm insane, but I think I might keep it or might look at some other options. So warm and cozy and fuzzy. I feel like Big Bird. Okay. Last sweater, I don't think I'm gonna keep. I think it's really cute. I also feel like I should have gone true to size with this. I got it in a medium. It's a cape style sweater, which I have always wanted one. I just think it's so cute. And now I styled it with a t-shirt and jeans in the video, but I'm thinking I should have done like black jeans with a black long sleeve. I feel like you need to have sleeves that come out from underneath this. This is super cute. I love the gold, like actual metal buttons here in this thick. It's a thick sweater. It's so cute. If you live in a place that stays cold for a while, like up north or wherever, then maybe it's still worth purchasing. I think pieces like this, I just very rarely see them, like capes, especially at an affordable price like what H&M does. They're just not, very few and far between. And I passed up on capes in the past, and I'm always like, God, I want a cape so bad. I just don't know if this is the one for me, to be honest with you. I would definitely need a smaller size to begin with, because the medium, I feel like, again, just kind of swallowed me and was just like a little too big. All right, and then last but not least, I picked up a pair of jeans. I really love H&M's jeans, but recently I found that they're very long on me, and these are no exception. So I'm either gonna need to bust out my sewing machine. What's going on with this hair? I look like, I don't know, whatever, it's driving me nuts. I'm either gonna need to bust out my sewing machine or convince my mother-in-law to help me hem them. I love the way they fit my hips and thighs. They're tight, but they're like a real rigid denim, so they are going to stretch and like form to the body. They're very flattering, very nice and compressed at the top, flows down. They're a wide leg jean. I think, and I got a 6. They're a little bit big in the waist, but they fit my hips and thighs, which is where I have to really focus on. But the length is just probably like an inch or two, like too long. If you have a good seamstress in Dallas, let me know. I have honestly never looked. But yeah, I like the color of these. I like everything about them. I just feel like they need to be hemmed. So I'm probably gonna keep them and just hem them, but I actually need to get them hemmed because I know I will not wear a light wash jean with heels. Like my dark wash ones that I have that I think are like the same style, this wide leg, I just prefer a lot. They're ultra high rise. I will wear with heels, so those are fine. I don't need to get them hemmed, but I struggle with an affordable pair of jeans getting them hemmed, and I don't know why, because it's like they were affordable, so spend a little bit extra to get them to fit the way you want. But anyway, love these. Such a good like springtime denim for sure. Are we ready for spring videos? Are we not? I guess you can sound off. This video is too late, but you can let me know if you're like not interested in spring. I was thinking of waiting more towards the end of February, middle to end of February, since spring starts like end of or mid-March. But I am full into it. I'm feeling like bluer skies, longer days are starting to get me excited for the springtime. But I know in Dallas we go right from winter to 100 degrees, so I have to like anticipate that a little bit ahead of time, and maybe I'll do too, because not everybody lives where we get all 4 seasons. Some of us live in Florida and California and all the things where you just don't get a ton of seasons, and Texas. But anyways, that was my little intro to spring, I guess, if you will, end of winter haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I haven't shopped at H&M in a while, and I prefer to shop online than in store, but I did when I was at the Galleria to go to the Uniqlo. That was right next to the H&M, and so I looked and peeked at some of the things that I knew I ordered, and I was pretty happy with the quality overall. That's like kind of a hit or miss with H&M. It's like it looks really good online, and then you get it in store or get it in person and you're like, I don't know. So I always like to look in store as well, but I find that they have no sales ever in store, and they do not price match. So I always, even if I go and look in the store, I always order it online and I wait for a sale. But that is it. That is everything that I picked up from H&M. Am I absolutely insane for keeping that insanely itchy sweater? It's so cute, but it's so itchy. Anyway, I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video very, very soon.